Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're taking you on a global tour of plant-based perfection. Here are the 20 top vegan dishes you need to try, bursting with flavor, color, and cultural roots. Falafel. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, these chickpea balls are a street food staple across the Middle East. Chana masala. A spicy, hearty chickpea curry from India that's packed with bold spices and rich flavor. Ratatouille. A rustic French vegetable stew that's as beautiful as it is healthy. Hummus with pita. Creamy, garlicky hummus served with warm pita is the ultimate Mediterranean snack. Vegan pad thai. A sweet, tangy, and nutty stir-fried noodle dish made with tofu and veggies. Dolma. Grape leaves stuffed with rice and herbs. This Mediterranean delicacy bursts with herby goodness. Vegan tacos. Loaded with beans, avocado, salsa, and veggies, these are a delicious twist on a Mexican classic. Aloo gobi, a dry Indian curry featuring potatoes and cauliflower, spiced to perfection. Vegan sushi. Rolled with avocado, cucumber, and rice, vegan sushi is fresh, fun, and satisfying. Lentil soup, a comforting and protein-rich soup enjoyed in cultures around the world. Vegan bibimbap. A colorful Korean rice bowl topped with sautéed veggies and spicy gochujang sauce. Vegan pizza. Classic Italian pizza made with tomato sauce, plant-based cheese, and seasonal vegetables. Stuffed bell peppers. Bell peppers filled with rice, veggies, and herbs, both hearty and wholesome. Vegan curry. Creamy coconut milk and vegetables come together for a satisfying Indian-inspired meal. Tofu stir-fry. Crisp veggies and tofu tossed in savory sauce, a quick and nutritious Asian dish. Vegan chili, rich, spicy, and full of beans. This Tex-Mex classic is comfort food without compromise. Gado-gado, an Indonesian salad topped with peanut sauce and packed with veggies and tofu. Vegan biryani, a fragrant rice dish cooked with spices and vegetables, bold, warm, and aromatic. Vegan pho, a Vietnamese noodle soup made with herbs, rice noodles, and veggie broth, light yet flavorful. Zucchini noodles, a low-carb alternative to pasta, served with marinara or pesto for a fresh, light meal. As you've seen, vegan cuisine is anything but boring. Which of these dishes would you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Top Num Up.